Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to search for any drama or series by its name on the DramaBox app and watch it for free using a phone. Let's get started. First, open the DramaBox app on your phone and make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you are on your home page, tap the search bar at the top. Your iPhone keyboard will pop up. Type the name of the drama you want to watch. For example, type Crash Landing on You or any title you are looking for. As you type, a list of matching dramas will appear below. Tap on the correct drama from the list. The drama page will open or series page will open. Here you will see the cover, image, description and all the episodes. To start watching for free, just tap on the episode you want. Then hit the play button, the video will load and begin streaming. If an ad shows up before the video, just wait a few seconds and then your drama will play. No extra payment is needed. And that's it. You have just searched for your drama by or any series and watch it for free on the DramaBox app using your phone. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.